Hey guys, in today's video, I'll be walking you through the step-by-step process on how to get your MySQL on your computer. MySQL is a very important skill to learn for data analysis, data sciences, database administration, and even more. So let's walk through that process together. So first off, open your browser on your system. It might be a Chrome browser, your Edge browser, whichever browser you have. Secondly, go to Google and search for the following prompt. MySQL Community Server download. Once you get search on that prompt, click on the link that says MySQL Community Server 8.0.35. Upon opening that page, you're going to find different installer. Ignore all of this and then click on go to download page. On your download page, I'm going to need you to select this bigger installer, the MSI installer with 288 MB. Now you'd find this page where it's asking you to log in or sign up. Kindly ignore all of this. You don't need to sign up or to log into anywhere for you to be able to access this application. Just go straight to no thanks, just start my download. The moment you do that, immediately your application should start downloading. Upon successful completion of your download, you'd find the setup inside your download folder. Just open it. You might be asked if you want this application to make changes to your computer. Select yes. Yes again. It might be important to note that installing MySQL requires internet connection. So while you're running all of this process, kindly leave your computer connected to your internet. So all you have to click on is on the full setup and then you can click on next. Once you do that, you'll see the several components of MySQL. Select execute. Depending on your system speed or your internet speed, this might take a while, but you have to be patient with it, right? The moment this installation is done, you have to select next to go ahead to install them. Alright, so we have all of these ready to install now. Click on execute. Now once your installation is done, you can click on next again. I know you're tired of clicking next. So in this case, also click on next for product configuration. Alright, so we have this product configuration here. You don't have to change anything. If you're seeing the same thing as I have here, don't change anything. Just click on next. Alright, you'll be asked to create a new password on this. Mind you, please use something that you remember, because if you forget this your password, you might not be able to access it. Uninstalling it might not even solve the problem. It might take a while for you to be able to get the solution on how you can totally wipe this off your system to install a new package. Alright, strong password. Then we can go ahead and click next. Now that this is done, click on next again. Click on next again and click on execute. By the time you're done with this, congratulations, you're done installing MySQL on your PC. So you can click on finish. That's not all. Let's click on next again and finish. and next again. Now you'll be required to insert the same password that you put when you were creating a password for your server. So check. Oops. So guys, I may have forgotten my password. I hope you don't. Well, mine is sorted now, so you can just click on finish by the time you're done with this. Alright, congratulations. You should have successfully installed MySQL. If you find this, you don't have to do anything, you just have to quit it. Now, the application we'll be using during our classes is going to be MySQL Workbench. Now, this is the Workbench, so this is what we're going to be using. We'll take it up from here in class. Alright, see you guys.